catch me if I fall.
Wait, stop. This girl does not exist. She is fake. Look at this Instagram profile. Now look at this one. They are both fake and not real. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how you could create social media influencers with the help of AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. We need an image for our AI influencer and a passport type photo which we can overlay on top of the target images. So let's go hunt for good source images. In this tutorial, we are going to use cart.ai to generate our AI images. Just go on over to the search bar right here and we're going to type blonde. Just go on over and select your preferred image. We're going to choose this one. Just go ahead and click on her and go ahead and click on try right here. After that, you're going to go ahead and come to this prompt. You can go ahead and edit the prompt if you want. For example, we have here a stunning full body shot kneeling on bed. You can go ahead and change that into something like her sitting in a club. Just go ahead and experiment with it. But if you don't want to edit anything, just go back to your image, go ahead and click on it. And you can go ahead and download the image by clicking on the three dots right here and select Save Image. Now that we have our source image, we can now gather our target images. Just go ahead and select similar images to your target image. For example, this one. Go ahead and download the similar images. These are the target images that I collected. Now, with the source image and the target images in hand, we can create our very own AI influencer images. All we need to do is a little magic. I'm talking about the amazing face swap bot. For this step, we're going to use Discord. If you don't have Discord already, you can go ahead and download Discord by heading into their official link. After downloading Discord, we have to make our own server. We can do that by clicking on the plus icon right here. Create my own for me and my friends. Go ahead and name your server anything you want to. We're just going to name it Face Swap. Click on create. After creating our own Discord server, we're just going to head straight to get a page right here. You're going to want to scroll down until you find the Discord button invitation link. Just go ahead and click this and it will redirect you into this page. Just go ahead and select your own server. For this one, it's going to be the FaceSwap server. Just go ahead and click on continue. Click on authorize. After that, we can just go ahead and go back to our Discord. And we're going to see this welcome message right here. And you're also going to see your bot right here. We can go ahead and start face swapping by typing /save ID. Just go ahead and upload your source image. After uploading your source image, you can name this ID into anything you want to. We're just going to name this Avril. After that, just go ahead and press enter on your keyboard. You're going to be able to see this message right here. ID name Avril created. This means that our ID has been saved already. So we can go ahead and start typing another prompt. Just go ahead and type /swap ID and go ahead and upload your target images. After that, we can go ahead and type our save ID. In this case, we have Avril. So I'm going to type Avril here. And that's how easy it is to face swap our target images. We can just go ahead and do that for the rest of the images. After successfully face swapping every image that you have, you can go ahead and click on the image right away. Right click the image and we can go ahead and save the image by clicking on the save image option right here. Well, now that we have our photos, we can now go ahead and post these photos on our Instagram and gain some followers little by little. But if you want to take things further, we can now go ahead and proceed to the next step. In this step, we want to obtain the videos where we can overlay Avery's face. Well, let me be clear. If you want to be a professional AI influencer, then I suggest you create your own or buy the target videos yourself. You could go ahead and ask someone to keep your costs down, or obviously you could go ahead and ask someone on Fiverr or Instagram to do it for you. For the purpose of this educational video, I will use Michaela Dimitra's account to generate our very own target videos. She has over 2 million followers on TikTok and she has over 3 million followers on Instagram. For this step, we're just going to head straight to this Google Colab link. And the first thing you will do is you will run this first cell right here. Just click on the play button. And if you see this, just click on run anyway. This will take a few minutes to create your own server, so be patient. After running through the first cell, you might see this error that says restart runtime. Do not restart the runtime, because if you restart the runtime, you might have issues on the following steps. With that out of the way, we can now run the second cell. Just click on the play button and wait for it to load. Then it will just take a few seconds to finish. Now it's time to upload the target image and the target video. We can go ahead and do that by clicking on the folder icon right here, and we can go ahead and drag our target video inside this folder. We can also do the same for our target image. To avoid any errors, make sure your target video and your target image doesn't have any spaces on it. For example, target space video. This one doesn't have any space on it. Just remove the space to avoid any errors. After uploading your target image and your target video, just go ahead and click on the 3 dots right here and copy path. Now that we have the path of our target image, we can now go ahead and edit the third cell right here. Just go over to source, go ahead and erase this text and go ahead and paste your path. We can also do the same thing for our target video. Right here, click on the 3 dots copy path. Go ahead over to target and paste our path right here. After pasting your path, just go ahead and smash the play button, and it's going to take a few minutes. After running the third cell, you might be able to see the swapped.mp4. This means that our deepfake has worked perfectly. We can now go ahead and download this by clicking on the 3 dots and go ahead and click on download. Let's go ahead and watch it together. Well, isn't that amazing? To convert the rest of your videos, just go ahead and delete the swapped.mp4. To do that, just go ahead and click on the 3 dots and go ahead and click on delete file and go ahead and upload another target video. After uploading another target video, just go ahead and copy the path and go ahead and change the target. Just wait for this to finish and download the swapped.mp4 again. Look what we have here. It's Avril and she's making bank. Look at those bills. She's doing some serious business. But all jokes aside, I believe you can genuinely make true money with AI influencers. If this video has been helpful for you, please support by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.